Hey guys, it has been a while since I posted anything on YouTube. So let me give you a quick update. I went ahead and ended up studying for the Part 107 certificate. I went ahead and studied the proper way. I used the Remote Pilot 101 website and I did their course. It was very, very good. It was very informative. I know you can get other ways to study for the Part 107, but you don't want to just pass the test. You want to go ahead and take the test, learn about it, know your stuff, learn what all the rules and regulations and so on. So why did I go ahead and take the test and learn all about it? So I have quite a few drones. I have about I have 6 drones, DJI, Autel, and so on. And a lot of people were asking me, hey, can you check my roof? Hey, can you check this land that I have? Hey, can you take a picture of my boat? Hey, can you take a picture of my house at the mountains and so on? So I'm like, okay, this is a hobby that you can actually make some money at it. I'm going to do the proper way. I'm going to do the proper thing. And the proper thing is to do it legally. So I went ahead and took the test. Number one, learn about it. Took the test, passed the test. Did every paperwork that you need to do on ICRA to register, get a certificate, and so on. Also, I changed my drones from, I changed 2 of them so far, from being the recreational to the Part 107 professional on the FAA. So I did that, and I took it up one more step. I took a further step. So if I'm about to make some money with this, let me go ahead and register a company as well. So I went ahead and registered a company, and it's an LLC company. The website is lkndronerental.com. Initially, I was going to rent the drones, since I was going to go ahead and buy a bunch of them and rent them. But I don't know, I think that's gonna be a nightmare, to be honest with you. So I went ahead and I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and change my business model. And I went the real estate route. Word of mouth is very, very important. If you do quality work, you're going to get more referrals. So I did that. And so I registered an LLC company, which is the best thing to do. Also, there are different things that you can do when it comes to the insurance company or business insurance. So I did part of it through Nationwide, but I also have, or I went the route of every time I fly, I do the fly. I'll put the link or the actual description right just below, so you guys can take a look at it. So pretty much every time you fly, you can go ahead and buy insurance for like $10, $5, depending on how long you're going to fly, depending on the timing. And it could be $5 and it's gonna cover you for some, I don't know, $1 million or so on. Okay, so I did that. I think it was pretty good. And that's my update. So I've been busy. That's the reason I have not been able to post too many things on YouTube. But now that I have this settled, I was able to pass everything, do it the correct way. I'm going to go ahead and post more, start flying. I'm going to enjoy this nice, beautiful afternoon here at Lake Norman, North Carolina. And today I have my Autel Evo 2 Pro. I'm going to be flying this drone today. This morning I was flying the DJI Air 2S, and I believe the Autel Evo is the way to go, man. So far, when it comes to all the features that you have, unless you have more money and you can get the other Autel Evo, the Mavic 3, which is an amazing drone, but it's very expensive. Now that we are on the topic of the Autel, I have a complaint. What is going on with the pricing of the Autel Nano Plus? $1,000, $1,100 for that little drone? Hey, what's going on? And then you have the Light Plus, which apparently is a very good drone, but it's like $1,700 when you can get the DJI Air 2S for $1,000, or maybe $1,300 for the Fly More combo. It's getting out of hand. I think the pricing is getting out of hand. So, and I'm afraid we're not gonna be able to go back to the prices where you can get DJI Mini 2 for like $500 or less than $500, which I have the Mini 2 and it's an amazing drone. Highly recommended. All right, I think this is enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get the drone going before the sun goes down. So let's go ahead and do this. I hope you guys are doing very well, and if you want to see more footage from me, please click like, subscribe, and I appreciate all your support. All right, thank you. Well, I have the Autel Evo 2 Pro. I truly love this drone. This is an amazing drone. If you have the chance to get it, I bought it refurbished for $1,200, and highly recommend it. Hey guys. All right guys, I highly recommend this drone.